Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get signed up right there in your 7-Eleven app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So for that purpose, go ahead, open your 7-Eleven app that you have downloaded and installed right there on your mobile phone. Tap on this. You can see this register option. If you tap on that one, you will be able to enter all of your credentials accordingly. Go ahead, enter your first name, last name, account, choose password. You can again tap birth date, mobile number, all of the correct information. And other option that you have is simply the easiest one: continue with Facebook, continue with Apple. You can tap on the continue with Apple. If you're on iOS, go ahead, create account. Otherwise, choose the continue with Facebook option. Tap on continue. Login with Facebook app. Tap on this open option. Tap on this cancel. Continue with your account. And now, as you can see, this information will add up over here. So what you're going to do, simply go ahead and use zip code and invite code if you have one. If you do not, then simply go ahead, leave it. Then you will tap on this I accept terms and conditions, add in your mobile phone, and then you will tap on this continue option, and that way you will be able to get signed up right then in your 7-Eleven app. So yes guys, this is the way. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.